Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day! My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxy, and today we are going to make Valentine's Day pizza margherita. It's gonna be great. Margherita pizza is actually my favorite pizza. Really delicious, packed with flavor, if made out of fresh ingredients. So this is what we got here. We got the dough, check the recipe below. We have fresh buffalo mozzarella, tomato sauce, I got the recipe below for the tomato sauce as well. Fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. As you can see, the ingredients are simple, yet fresh and delicious. Let's get to work. Let's start off by preparing the base. Let's sprinkle a little flour. Here is our dough covered with flour. We put it on the work surface. And we carefully start shaping the dough. We put it on a pizza peel. It's Valentine's Day, so this will be the shape today. We put in a little bit of tomato sauce. Now we put in some mozzarella. Buffalo mozzarella is so nice and creamy. Throw a little bit of Parmesan on top. Fresh basil. And a drizzle of olive oil. And there we go, ready for the oven. Now the oven is hot. We carefully slide the pizza in. Looking good. And then we wait few minutes. Wow. I never made heart-shaped pizza before. Alright, here we are after 5 minutes or so. Soon ready to take it off the oven. I think we are done here. It may not be the prettiest pizza in the world, but at least it's heart-shaped. All proud of it. I recommend you placing the pizza on a wire rack or similar to this after it comes from the oven. As the moisture is released, it can get soggy. Alright, let's put it back here. Add a little bit of salt on top, and then we are ready to taste. Whoops. Now the crust is nice and airy, and I'm going in. Yes. It's all about fresh ingredients. The buffalo mozzarella, very creamy, nice tomato sauce, good base, good quality extra virgin olive oil, and fresh basil. That's all it takes. And it's absolutely fantastic. As it's Valentine's Day, I wanted to make something special. Anyway guys, check out my dough and pizza sauce recipes. More pizza recipes will follow. Please subscribe, like, and share all this good stuff. See you at the next episode.